Hey guys, so I wanted to share a video with you all today about how AI can create YouTube videos. So it turns out that AI is really good at making videos. So it uses machine learning algorithm and neural network to produce high quality content that people will love watching and sharing. So I have been using this software for a few months and now, and it is incredibly useful what it can do with just a few tweaks here and there. I really hope you enjoy this video as much I did making it. So coming up next on TechTinge, so first of all we have to get the content for the YouTube video, and so you can get the content over the internet and you can create the content with the help of AI powered website like Jasper, Copy.ai, Copysmith, Writesonic, etc. so far. So I'm trying to find out the content over the internet first, and this is what you can get: the script document, and copy this to your YouTube script that we will be creating on the Lumen file. So once you have created the script, you can use this content in the YouTube videos. After that, we have to open Lumen 5 website. So it is AI powered website that will help us creating the videos, getting the videos with its AI sense. It has many remarkable features as well. So this is the preview of the video that I have created on this website earlier. It is all about AI and metaverse, how this technology will impact our life and future. So in order to create the video, I have to click on the plus sign and I have to choose a template. On the left hand side, it is showing the category of the template. You can choose a template as per your choice, and you can choose the video format like 1:1 or 16:9, etc. So once you have selected this setting, it will take time to load and set these settings to your video, and it will give you the option to change review the script. So it is asking you to write the script, or you can directly give the URL of the script on which website the script is there, so that you can put these stuff in the YouTube videos. So you have to review and you can create the video. So moving forward, we have to create the content through the AI powered Copy.ai website. So this is the website which help us to create the exceptional content very easily. It is showing you new project template on the left hand side, and once you click on template, it is showing bunch of template you can choose from, like custom, social media, content, email, website, copywriting, tool, case study, video, and fun. We can choose the available template as per our use case and start creating the content. So I am going through this available option that Copy.ai is providing us. So this is all about exploring the option. We can choose the category, we can choose the template, that whatever we want. So I have chosen the blog section. So in this blog section, we have to provide the blog topic law, like how YouTube will affect our life in future. So this is the topic that on which we will be creating the YouTube video. So this is the topic for this video, and what's the main point of the paragraph. So in the next section, we have to provide like how YouTube will affect our life in future, and once it is done, we have to click on search and it will give us the content for that. So we can search, we can copy all the search content, and we can copy all the content. We have to copy this content and we have to paste it in the Lumen 5, and we have to click on convert to video. So here we have to paste it, and we can also review the script. We can make some changes here, and once you have reviewed, you can click on convert to video. It will create the video for us because we have already chosen the template. It will use that template and it will create the scene for us, and we can customize the scene as per our choice, as per our requirement. So this is one scene and this is second scene, and so on. This is how it is creating the video, and it is also picking up the media from its database on the website, and once we scroll down, it is getting created. So we have to have some patience for that. And on the left hand side, it is showing some option like your story icon, music, style, format. You can configure the video as per your choice with the available option. Like you have to provide the media if you have already uploaded to the website. Like you can use the your media to your videos. You can also use the free icon provided to you in this community free account. So I am using community free account. You can also see the preview of this scene. You can shuffle the color. You can also swap the design. You can also change the time duration for the scene. And so let me swap the scene to another design. If you don't want any scene, you can swap the scene, change the scene, but it will be from the same template until or unless you change the template. So this is how it is working. I can change the time duration of the scene also. and you can shuffle the color that will provide you the color palette. You can choose the color palette as your choice. On the left hand side, this providing your media, so you can search like the library, GIF, upload, recent. You can search any video, GIF, use that in your video. Else you can upload your own media like images or video and use them in your video. You can search the library. So in as I'm making video on about the YouTube, so it is providing me a YouTube sample video in this icon setting. It is providing free icon for this free community account, but for these these are not of good quality, but it is worth for free. For getting the good icon, I have to get the paid subscription. And in the music section, you can also upload your music or use the default music they are also providing. So this is how it is providing you features, and you can customize your video and all. You can upload your music, and in the style section you can choose the color palette, fonts and scene transition that you want. But for customizing the font, we have to get the paid subscription plan. If the color is not suitable, you can change the color. And in the format section, so these are paid services that we have to pay. And in the format section, we have to choose the resolution type of the video, and we can choose the landscape, square, vertical and story. You can choose the resolution type of the video. It is providing free for 420p and 720, and for 1080p we have to have the subscription, paid subscription plan for that. And once we are ready, we can preview the video, we can set the settings, and we can click on publish, and it will publish the video, and it will allow us to download the video. We can play the video, and we can have a look how does this video play, and what is the look and feel, and what is the quality of the video that is generated through this Lumen 5 website. So this is how it looks like. So now the video is ready, we can play. And so don't forget to subscribe the channel. So this is the video that we have created with Lumen 5, and we can download this video to our local file system. So just watch and let me know how did you like this. So this is the power of AI. You can create video in minutes, be it for YouTube, promotional, marketing video in minutes. So people are using this technique and accelerating their business as well as revenue. Nobody wants delay in the revenue, right? So these are the plans they are providing. So they are providing new 5 plans like community account, basic account, starter account, professional and enterprise. And they are providing full feature to professional enterprise, as these are highly paid subscription plan. So that's all. You can create a video. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and you can tell me in the comment section how did you like this video, and you can consider subscribing my channel. And I will see you on the next video. Goodbye and take care.